Assalamu alaikum. In today's video I am discuss the beautiful places in Pakistan. Before going to forward, I request to all viewers kindly subscribe, like and comments my channel. Ten best and most beautiful places to visit in Pakistan. 1. Hunza Valley. Located in Gilgit-Baltistan, the Hunza Valley is one of Pakistan's hidden gems. This isolated valley is nestled between the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain peaks. This is one of the best places to visit in Pakistan because of its lush farmlands. Here you can find markhors, ounces, ibexes, and red foxes. In this valley, a glorious view awaits you, and the locals are warm and friendly. 2. Islamabad Lake. This beautiful lake, which provides tranquil waters, was originated as a result of a landslide in January 2010 in Islamabad village. The lake has vivid blue waters that pierce through the hilly land of Hunza Valley. The lake is one of the most popular tourist places in Pakistan, offering exciting experiences like skiing, boating, catching fishes and others. 3. Swat Valley. Despite its tragic history, Swat Valley's present situation is very promising. There's something fairy tale-like about this spectacular valley in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Being one of the most beautiful places to visit in Pakistan among all other attractions, this valley has great weather and friendly locals. Visitors can enjoy trekking, hiking, backpacking, or simply enjoy in the natural environment. 4. Naran Kagan. Naran and Kagan are two amazing places to visit in Pakistan which are located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. They are amazing places to explore for those who love nature. You will find beautiful rivers, stretches of fields, snow-capped peaks, and picturesque lakes in these areas. Each year, thousands of tourists come to this valley from all over the world. 5. Badshahi Mosque. Originally built during the 1670s, Badshahi Mosque is a monument of the Mughal Empire, which ruled over the Indian subcontinent for nearly 3 centuries. Located in Lahore, this mosque is a great representation of Mughal architecture, with 4 minarets and 3 domes forming the courtyard. The mosque is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The monument truly justifies being one of the beautiful tourist places in Pakistan.